Okay, so I glued the little strip to the back so that it would cover these holes so you wouldn't be able to see the gift card. And then this piece gets glued on, or well, gets set inside. And you have to glue the front to the back of the card so it just kind of makes a pocket. So make sure you don't accidentally glue where your sliding piece goes. Just in case, pull this piece out just so you don't accidentally glue it inside. And then I'm going to use one of these mini action wobbles on the back of the card. I tried a full size and it's too big, so plan on using a mini. Cute, huh? And then you just fit your gift card into these two little slots that are made. Slide it back into the card. Do whatever sentiment you want on this piece, and then it glues to the back of the card. Done.